In most businesses today, successful web app development requires a large team with a variety of skills. However, it can be difficult for a growing company to get all of the skill sets required to work in-house. This begs the question, is offshore outsourcing the next best option? Nearshoring has entered the chat. Nearshore outsourcing, or nearshoring, allows businesses to hire experts in each area of website application development, systems administration, and network security quickly and easily. By working with an outsourcing partner located in Latin America or Mexico, US-based businesses can access the expertise they need for affordable prices, in addition to working with English-speaking people who are in similar time zones. Web app development is enough of a challenge. Take it on with a strong Nearshore Software Development team at Sonatafy. Learn more today by following the links in the description box below and check out more videos in our Sonatafy Defined web series.